Hello all, here is a simple code which basically shows the relation between two GPIO pins. When we say relation, what we are doing is we are trying to perform one operation on a GPIO, and then based on the operation that is done on one of the GPIO, we are going to perform operation on another GPIO. That means we are just going to check the condition, check the state of the pin of the GPIO, and toggle the pin of the toggle another GPIO pin. For this, we are having a button which is connected to one of the GPIO and LED to one of the GPIO. If you see the code, we connected LED to D5 and a button to D1. Okay, so we are putting this LED pin in output state, and the button that we are connecting is in input state, because when we press the button, the microcontroller or the NodeMCU board has to read the state of that pin and act on the LCD accordingly, right? So that's why the input state will be read. So we have configured the button pin as input. So that means here D1 is input, D5 is output. Now in the loop, what we are doing is we are trying to check the state of this button pin. Okay, so using a digital read of function which reads the status of the GPIO, and when we read the digital pin, when we are saying if we read high, make the LED high. Okay, we are going to glow the LED, and if the digital pin is low, we are going to of the LED. Very simple functionality, right? Easy to understand code. So let's see how it functions on the board. You can see here, as in our previous video, the LED is connected to D5. You can see the LED which is connected to D5, and then actually we don't have a switch handy. So what we did is, you can see the D1 pin. So from the D1 pin we pulled out a wire. Okay, so what we are doing is we are just trying to mimic the functionality of the switch by giving the supply directly from the node MCU. So example, you can see here when I touch V in, that means I am giving high on that digital pin, and the LED is on. Like now I will give 0 by touching it to ground. You can see the LED is off. So a simple way to mimic the switch functionality here. So you can just try this out by having a wire instead of having a button, and the other functionalities. One important point, you can see here we are not using any preliminary states, maintaining preliminary states by having pull-ups, pull-downs and all. This is just directly a wire is connected and an LED is connected. So if you want a professional circuit, you can maintain the state low by having a pull down by a default condition, or pull up you can use based on your requirement. A very simple code and testing, right? For beginners, you can just start with this and then go to the complex things. Thank you.